maize porridge.
How's that?
It's kind of salty and acidic. Tastes a little bit fermented actually. Just gonna chase it with banana. Where is my banana?
Gonna ask. Where's the banana?
Cam's just got plain old vanilla porridge. Oats. So here in Ghana, they don't really have bottled water so much. You've got these sachets. So to get inside one of these sachets, you literally just bite the corner off.
I don't dig the texture, but I have banana, so it's edible.
So we're now leaving to go to Wli Falls waterfall. You've got a sachet and I've got most of a big bottle.
I was just wondering if they're like, if it's included, like if they
Oh, you can drink the water at the waterfall anyway, so
Can you?
we should be fine.
Nice.
So you say from up there you can see Togo? Is that what you said?
Okay, yeah, so he said up there you can see Togo.
So we've got a 2-hour hike ahead of us, 4 hours return. Waterfall this way.
Oh, pineapple.
Wild pineapple.
The first water to come from the falls.
So this is what we were eating before at lunchtime.
It's a really yummy dish. It's contumely with boiled potatoes, and it's the leaves of yam, I think. Yeah, so the leaf of it, yeah.
That's what we're eating.
I think so.
Some kind of giant ant party. These markings here, that's a clear indication of a wild rasta in these parts. And it's like we've literally just stepped past this certain point and now it sounds like a real jungle. Like 20 meters back there, it didn't sound like a jungle. Listen to that.
Mad.
That's jungle sound.
10 hours? Maybe the
No,
road.
they said 60 minutes, so 3 hours return. Is that the one we're taking?
Yeah.
So 3 hours return?
Yeah.
Okay. Not 6 hours.
So we've walked like 30 minutes, which means we've got another hour, probably mostly uphill. Not ready.
Well, it's yellow, right?
Cocoa pod.
The beans? Yeah?
You put the beans
Beans, yeah?
in there,
Yeah.
wrap it up, like bush cling wrap. Brilliant. Biggest waterfall in West Africa. Alright. Is this stick entirely necessary? Just leave it here, get it on the way back. It's starting to get really steep now. Okay, babe?
We are so sweaty. My lungs are really struggling.
I think one of these has come out of him so far.
Yeah,
And
probably.
replaced it. So it's a good thing we can drink water up there. What is that? What is it called?
It made this one for machine. Sweet.
Sweet.
Too much.
Too sweet.
Sweet much. Yeah.
That's the 400-meter waterfall right there. So this is only the first half of the waterfall. The other half continues down there. At the foot of this waterfall is the road that goes to Togo. So just over that hill, you can get to the next country. After spending the whole day stressing about finding wireless internet or international phone cards, we've got 3G here. We're just picking up mad 3G signal. After 2 hours of walking the perilous track, we've made it. Would you say it's worth it?
Yeah, it is worth it.
Thanks, Kwame.
We'll see.